students in a series of integers. Today's topic is word problems of integers. As I told you that word problems connects mathematics to your daily life. So let us understand word problems related to integers. First word problem is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Rohit's score in 5 successive rounds were 15, -3, -7, 12 and 8, what was his total at the end? So if you will see that there are some positive integers and some negative integers. So let us understand this word problem and write statements. Marks in first round. In first round he got 15 marks. In second round -3 marks. In third round -7 marks. In fourth round 12 marks, and in fifth round 8 marks. Now we need to find out total marks. So let us total all. 15 plus -3 plus -7 plus 12 plus 8. Because -3 -7, these are negative integers. Now we will add them just by considering the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Now here it is very easy. 15 plus minus will be -3 and here plus minus will be -7. So 15 -3 -7 plus 12 plus 8. Now let us add all positive integers first. 15 plus 12 plus 8 and it is 35, and -3 -7. When we need to add two negative integers, we will add them and we will put the sign of negative sign there. So here 35 minus 10. Now it is very easy to do, just a subtraction, and it is equals to 25. So his total at the end was 25 marks. Understand another word problem. Ruchi deposited rupees 4,370 on Monday in her account and then withdrew rupees 2,875 on Tuesday. Next day she deposited rupees 1,550. What was her balance on Thursday? Integer. Here integer is very important. How? If you can see that when we deposit the money, it means it is a positive integer. It reflects positive. Then when we withdrew means it is a kind of deduction in amount. That's why this withdrew amount can be written as negative integer. And again deposit, so it is a positive integer. So we can write like this: money deposited on Monday rupees 4,370. Then withdrew on Tuesday means minus rupees 2,875. Then deposited on Wednesday rupees 1,550. So what is the total balance on Thursday? Just add them. Rupees 4,370 minus rupees 2,875 plus rupees 1,550. So here let us add both positive integers first. So it is 5,920 minus 2,875, and which is rupees 3,045. Balance on Thursday. Next type of word problem is based on directions. See, integers actually reflects directions also. How? Ravi goes 28 km towards east from a point P to Q. From Q, he moves 37 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west, by which you represent his final position from P? So this kind of question is based on integer. How? Let us understand this word problem very well. At first, Ravi goes 28 km towards east. So there are two directions actually, east and west. So always remember, here is given also that east represented by positive integers. It means whenever we will go towards east, according to this question, it is as a positive integer. The distance is as positive integer. Then if we will go towards west, then it will be as negative integer. So let us solve this question. Ravi goes 28 km towards east from a point P to Q. So P to Q towards east. And how much distance he covered? 28 kilometer. Then from Q he moves 37 km towards west along the same road. It means like this, Q to R, and distance minus 37 kilometer. Why minus? Because it is the opposite direction. If we are treating east direction as a positive integer, then definitely west direction we will treat as negative integer. So that's why it is minus 37 kilometer. Now we need to find out total. 28 plus minus 37, it means we will do subtraction. 28 minus 37. Now we will subtract, because there is one positive integer and one negative integer. We will do subtraction and our answer will be in form of negative integer. Why? Because absolute value of 37 minus 37 is 37 and absolute value of 28 is 28. And which is greater? Yes, absolute value of this negative integer. That's why we will put sign of minus. It is negative integer. Our answer will be negative integer, minus 9. So it is the distance which Ravi covered from P to R, from the position where he started. So it is a distance, that is minus 9. It means 9 kilometer towards west. Next word problem is based on temperature. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 32 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 8 hours after the freezing process begins? So just understand this question first. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 32 degrees Celsius. It means freezing process begins at 32 degrees Celsius. Now, at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour, it means the temperature which lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So, temperature reduced in 1 hour minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then, we need to find out what is the temperature reduction in 8 hours. So in 8 hours it is minus 5 degrees Celsius multiplied by 8. It means minus 40 degrees Celsius. Now we need to find out what will be the room temperature 8 hours after the freezing process begins. As we know that freezing process of that room begins at 32 degrees Celsius. So the total temperature, which is 32 degrees Celsius plus minus 40 degrees Celsius. It means plus minus will be minus. We will do subtraction and the sign will be of this 40 degrees Celsius for this negative integer, because the absolute value of this negative integer is higher than the absolute value of this positive integer. That's why minus 8 degree Celsius. So it is our answer that the room temperature 8 hours after the freezing process begins will be minus 8 degree Celsius. Let us understand one word problem related to the competitive exams marking. We know that there are negative marking also. So here is a question. In a class test containing 10 questions, it means total number of questions in class test equals to 10, then 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. It means marks for one correct answer equal to 5. Then 2 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer. It means marks for one incorrect answer equals to minus 2, because it is a deduction. And 0 for questions not attempted. It means marks for one not attempted question equal to 0. Now we need to find out the scores of these students, Rohit, Seema and Ritu. So let us do marking. Yes, Rohit's score. Rohit's score will be 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. It means 4 into 5, because for one correct answer equal to 5. That's why 4 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2. Now we will solve this. 4 5s are 20 and 6 into minus 2 equals to minus 12. So here it is 20 plus minus 12 and plus minus will be minus and it is like this and we will subtract it 8 marks for Rohit. Then for Seema 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. It means 5 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by minus 2. So Seema's score equals to 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied minus 2. It will be 25 plus and it is minus 10. Now we will do subtraction. 25 minus 10 equals to 15 marks. In similar way, Ritu. Ritu attempted 7 questions and gets only 2 correct answers. It means for correct answers 2 multiplied by 5 and incorrect answers are 5. It means Ritu's score equals to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied minus 2 plus 3 multiplied 0 because 3 questions she did not attempt. That's why now we will solve this. 2 5s are 10 plus minus 10 plus 0. Now we will solve this. 10 minus 10 equals to 0 marks. Now one more type of questions. Find a pair of integers whose product is minus 15 and difference is 8. Actually these kind of things you will solve in algebra also in further chapters when we will go forward in mathematics. So here we will solve in the point of view of integer. So here if a and b are two integers, and what is a condition which is given that a multiply b equals to minus 15. Okay, so let us find out few combinations. We know that 1 multiply minus 15 equals to minus 15. Then either minus 1 into 15 equals to minus 15. Either minus 3 into 5 equals to minus 15. Or either 3 into minus 5 equals to minus 15. But there is one more condition that difference is 8 means a minus b equals to 8. So remember, because the answer is positive integer, it means a is a positive integer here. So here a minus b equals to 8. So let us see which integer can be put here so that a minus b equals to 8. Yes, we can put like this. If a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 5, then a minus b equals to 8. Another possibility is if a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3, then also our difference is 8. It means 5 and minus 3. Either this combination or either 3 and minus 5 are the pairs of integers. Let us solve one more question related to the marking of competitive exams. Here is a question. In a competition, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for no attempting. Find number of questions attempted incorrectly. Here scores are given to you, but you need to find out number of questions attempted incorrectly. So what is given to you? At first find out. In a competition, 3 marks are given for every correct answer. It means marks for one correct answer equals to 3 and marks for one incorrect answer equals to minus 2, right? So marks for one not attempted question equal to 0. Now here at first let us assume that incorrect attempted questions, number of incorrect attempted questions equals to a. Okay, now we need to find out for Sachin. So Sachin's score equals to 24, which is given to you. And if he got 14 correct answer, it means 14 multiplied by 3 plus, we don't know what is number of questions attempted incorrectly. So a multiply minus 2 like this. Now we will solve this equation. This is the equation. 14 3s are 42 minus 2a equals to 24. Now we need to find out the value of a. So let us transfer these. 2a will be transferred this side and 24 will be transferred this LHS side. So what we will get now, our equation will be in this form. 2a equals to 42 minus 24. Now just solve this. 42 minus 24 is 18 and we need to find out the value of A, so we will transfer this 2 which is in form of multiplication here, that will transfer to other side with a form of division. So here what we will get, A equals to 9. So number of questions attempted incorrectly by Sachin is 9. Let us find out for Nalini. Nalini's scores is -7. So how -7? She has got 9 correct answers. 9 multiply 3 plus A multiply -2. It is the equation. Now solve this. 9 threes are 27 minus 2A equals to -7. Now again transfer these. 2A will be here and -7 will be there. So here 2A equals to 27 plus 7, which is equals to 34, and A equals to 17. So 17 questions attempted incorrectly by Nalini. You can solve any problem of mathematics just by using this key, and the key is practice. Do practice and find the solution.